Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can recover files from Google Drive. So the way to actually recover your files, guys, I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to delete this file right here. So I'm going to move it to my trash. And I'm also going to delete it from the trash as well. So as you guys can see, boom, delete forever. And now, guys, the file is completely gone. So what happens if you guys want to recover a file that you completely removed from the trash and from everything? The first step, guys, is to open up a new tab. Type in Google Drive File Recovery Request. Click on Recover a Deleted File in Google Drive right here. Scroll down, guys, and you guys will see this button right here, Request File Recovery. Go ahead and click on it, guys. Wait for the page to load. Go ahead and sign into your account that you want to recover the file from. And boom, you guys should now see this. Go ahead and click on No for this because you are not able to find the files. This means that the file is completely gone. So click on Continue, guys. And right here, they can only recover our files if they review some limitations. So they can only recover a file if it's deleted within the last 25 days. They can also only recover files deleted directly from our Drive trash. It's not going to work for other services like Google Photos or Gmail. So once you guys are done reading, go ahead and click on Request File Recovery. And boom, it's now going to load up right here, guys. And boom, we should now get an email, guys, within the next hour or within a certain time period. And it's going to tell us when we receive our recovered file. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and peace.